Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to share Google Drive file or folder link. Now it's a very easy process. So when you will be on your Google Drive over here, as you can see I am already on it, you will find that you will have your files and the folders over here. Now let me show you one by one what I mean. So as you can see in some files you will have this small person icon. The meaning of this person icon is this file is shared with someone. Now let me show you how to do it. So all you have to do is just click on the file that you want to share. So firstly I'm going to choose this Google Docs over here. And now, the moment you will do that, you will find that a few options have appeared right over here. And if you click on the three dots over here, you will have more options. And over here, you will have an option of share. And in share, you will have a share option and copy link. So you can also get these two options over here and over here. So it's totally up to you. Now, if you want to share, click on this person icon. And now wait for a few seconds. And over here, you will have more options where you can add the email address of the person. So let's say for example, over here you can write the email address of the person who you want to share the file with, just like that. And obviously you can add multiple. Then over here in the right hand side panel you can choose what type of access you want to give to that particular person. So click on that option and over here you'll have your options. You only want them to view it, you want to just simply do a comment on it, or if you want you can even have them edit the file for you, or you can give the permission of edit. So it's totally up to you. And then all you have to do is just simply click on send and the mail will be sent with the Google link. Or if you just simply want the link, you can just click on this option and the link will be automatically copied. So if I open on a new tab, this link, as you can see, I will have this link. And if I open the link, the doc will open, as you can see right over here. Now this is how you can share a Google file. Now let me show you how to do this with a folder. So as you can see, I have a document over here. Now all you have to do is again, the process will be same. Click on the folder, you will find that new options have appeared over here, then choose this option. And now you can again add the email address of the person, or what you can do is click on the drop down box over here and choose anyone with the link. That way no one will have to ask a permission from you when they will open the link. But if you want to get the permission, just simply keep it restricted. Now over here choose the access of the file. So again do the same process over here and then click on copy link. Now this time what you can do is just simply open your Gmail and compose a new mail. And over here what you can do is just simply enter the email address of the person who you want to send. So an example over here. Now over here what you can do is the first and the normal way is just simply paste the link. And as you can see, this is not very good looking and it does not look professional at all. So let me show you a better option. So what you can do is just simply type in a name. Let's say for example my drive or my document. So you can write whatever you want. Now what you have to do is just simply highlight the text and then you will find this option right over here, which is insert link. Click on that. And now insert the link right over here, which will be your drive link. Then click on OK. And I will find that this have become a clickable link, as you can see right over here. You can do the same process over here as well. Highlight it, then CTRL-K and then paste it and click on OK. And as you can see, they have both become clickable links. So if I now send it, they'll receive a clickable link over here. Let me show you. As you can see right over here, I will have clickable links. Now if I click on the link, it will open my Google Drive, as you can see right over here. So that's it. And thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel and take care.